It's easy to make sure that you always have key essentials for your teaching right at your fingertips with a classroom kit. Hi, I'm J.D. Wright, a teaching consultant at the University Center for Teaching and Learning. Welcome to PIT. In this video, we'll offer 5 quick tips for how to prepare a classroom kit with the main things you'll need as you teach in the classrooms and lecture halls here at the university. I use a small zippered pouch, but a clear plastic baggie works well too. First item, dry erase markers, chalk, and an eraser for using your classroom's board. You can check out what gear your room has here at 25 Live on my.pit.edu. Second, your class roster, available to print from my.pit.edu and the Faculty Center. Third item, power cords and HDMI cords and adapters for connecting your laptop or tablet to the room's AV system. Check out Classroom Services' website for cables, adapters, and other tech needs. Number 4, index cards and sticky notes for gathering quick feedback and writing notes. Fifth and finally, your cell phone, a smartwatch, or a Duo hardware token available from the IT Help Desk for accessing my.pit.edu when you need to. Also, make sure that you have memorized your password. Put it all into your classroom kit and have a great semester.